Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to refactor the get mapping. So let's begin. So let's go to the to-do service and I'm going to declare a new method for retrieving the records or retrieving the documents from the database. Public. This is going to return a list of to-do DTO. I'm going to call this get all to-dos. Let me import the list from the util package and let's go to the implementation class and I'm going to implement this method. Let me minimize this. I'm going to remove these comments. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'm going to make use of this to-do repo to call the repository method. To-do repo dot find all. This is going to return list of to-dos, list to-do DTO. I'm going to call this to-dos, and I'm going to write a condition to check the size of the to-dos. If to-dos dot size is greater than 0, I'm going to return the to-dos, else I'm going to create an empty array list and then I'm going to return it. Return new array list which is of type to-do DTO. So now we have created the service method which is retrieving the list of to-dos. Let me save this and let's go ahead and refactor the controller. So let's go to the controller and we have this get mapping for retrieving all the to-dos. So let me change this to to-do service, and we do not have a method find all. So what we're going to do is we're going to call method which is get all to-dos. This is going to return the to-dos. Let me get rid of this if condition because we have already transferred that code to the service layer. So all we need to do is we have to return the response entity. So return new response entity. We are going to send the to-dos as a response and the status which is to-dos dot size is greater than 0, then http status to OK, otherwise not found. http status dot not found. Okay, this is like this. Okay, so let's save this. So now we have refactored the controller as well. All we need to do is we have to test our work. So let's first go to the Robo3T. What I'll do is I'm going to refresh the Robo3T. Right now we have 2 records. Let me wipe these 2 records. So now let's go to the Postman, and if the user click on this read to-dos, we do get an empty array list, which is great, and we can see the status code which is 404 not found. So now if the user go ahead and create a new to-do, and the to-do has been created, now if the user go ahead and click on this read to-dos, and we do get our response as a one single to-do, and we can see the status as 200 OK, which is great. So alright, now we have refactored the get mapping as well. In the next video we are going to refactor the one more get mapping, which is getting a single document from the MongoDB database. So that is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video.